Moses was taken out when he saw a bush burned up. It wasn't burned up. It was a little tree with fire. Oh, that's the wrong page. God said, Moses, take your sandals off and sit down on the ground and help your brothers out of evil.
Do you want me to help you?
Huh?
Do you want me to help you?
I don't know how to read it, but will you teach me?
Yeah, hold it.
Uh-huh.
Hold it.
I can't find it. I can't find it.
Moses was taking care of the flock. Moses saw that a bush was on
Fire.
but
It didn't burn up.
God spoke to Moses from,
The bush.
he called out,
Moses.
Moses, Moses. Here I am, Moses said.
Yeah.
Do not come any closer, God said. Take
Your sandals off.
the place you are.
The sandal is holy ground.
The Lord said, I have seen
Your brothers.
my people in Egypt. I have heard them cry. I am concerned about their suffering.
Yeah.
I have come down to save them from the Egyptians. Now go. I am sending you to Egypt. Pharaoh, bring the Israelites out of Egypt.